What's good, y'all? It's Jacob Jenkins, aka Unique in the Booth, straight out of Springdale, Arkansas. I'm about to hit that Jacquees verse in the ocean. Jacquees and TJ Kravitz. I need your attention. I know this fast nigga felt dementia. You like the shower or the kitchen, and I would be a fool if I didn't listen. Yeah, hit it from the back, then I hit it from the side in the morning. And the way you're calling my name, baby, I can tell that you want it. Am I pleasing you right? Going deep in your thighs, getting deep up inside. You're scratching my back. I'm all caps. Only thing I speak is facts, all facts, yeah. I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Come and hop on this pony. Come and hop on this pony. Can I dive in your ocean?